Hey, it's Izzy here from Aussie Pet Doors. Going to teach you how to install one of these high-tech automatic pet doors into a timber door. The model that we've chosen to install today is the medium Wi-Fi model, and in the box you will get the door, set of screws and caps. You will get a user guide and an AC adapter for Australian standards. You will also receive a ultrasonic collar tag for your pet. These are the tools that you're going to need: blower, jigsaw, a drill, some drill bits, cordless screwdriver, a level, you need some scissors, tape measure and some protective gear. As there's no template provided in the box, what I've done is taken the backing plate off the actual door, and I'm going to measure the height and the width of this, and I'm going to make my own template to transfer onto the timber door. Installing the pet door at the right height for your pet is really crucial, and it will make it easier for your pet to go through it. This is done by measuring from the ground to its belly and from the ground to the top of its shoulders. You need to make sure that the top of the dog flap is at least a few centimeters above its shoulders so your dog can go through the flap at a natural walking level. Now that we've got the correct measurements, we're going to take this template and we're going to stick it onto the door and mark it out. The sticky tape has obstructed the markings in the corners, so now once the template has been taken off, we're just going to remark it. And now we're going to do 4 pilot holes in each corner. I've opted to go with a smaller drill bit first, a 7mm, and then we're going to use a 13mm to make the hole a little bit bigger. We're going to use the jigsaw now to cut the hole out. Now that we've cut the hole out, we're going to take the front part of the door, put it in, and we're going to use a level to make sure that the door is level. Once the door is level, we're going to start screwing the screws in. Before you completely screw the front piece on, make sure that you put this rear cowl on. Once it's on there nice and tight, then you can continue putting the 10 screws at the back here and tighten up your front screws as well. We're going to use these caps to cover the screws in the door. In this particular model, we don't have the battery installed, so we're going to be using the AC adapter, the 240 volt adapter. If you do decide to get a battery for this door as well, you put the battery in here, connect it, and then the door can work off the battery, and this will just work as a charger for the battery. So now that the door's installed and we hooked it up to the power, you're going to switch on from that button there, and you're going to set it into the auto. Make sure that your sensors are turned on for the inside and outside, and you can also adjust the range at which the collar tag will be picked up. To demonstrate how it all works, once you've got it all set up and you've got the collar tag on your pet's neck, when your pet gets close to the door will open by itself, and then once it goes through, the door closes. Thanks for watching the video. If it was informative and you enjoyed what you've seen, please like and subscribe for more DIY videos. See you in the next one.